I was stressed out about a project at work, working long hours and not sleeping well, when a Japanese team member taught me a new word. Did you know that the Japanese language has a word that means death from overwork? The word is karoshi. The term was first coined about 30 years ago when Kyoto University sociologist Junko Kitanaka studied overwork-related deaths. This could be heart attack, stroke, or other body failures, or even suicides due to work-related stress. This phenomenon was not fully understood by Europeans and North Americans in the 1990s, but today, the idea is not so obscure. Since the pandemic, we have more concerns about the psychological and physiological impact of prolonged work-related stress. Japan even looks at karoshi rates, meaning the toll of work stress-related deaths every year. A few simple ways you can help alleviate karoshi risk is through monitored working hours, promoting paid leave, or utilizing consultation or therapy services. I get it. I love my job. But sometimes it's best to take a break, refresh, relax, and come back better than before. What are the ways that you are helping to alleviate karoshi risk in your life?